Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, a black EP3 in the house today for an ECU exchange and remap. It's got some mods that we'll list towards the end of the video. But yeah, up on the dyno, ready for its stock power run, see what we make, do the ECU exchange, start tuning. Here we go. Well, another EP3 in the bag.
Yeah, definitely.
Black one, lovely.
Lovely.
Made some big flames,
Made some
mate.
big flames,
I
yeah.
liked it.
I mean, not the best mods in the world, but what I would call budget mods that you sort of see all the time. So, did you say we got a Tegiwa leaf heater on it?
We've got a leaf heater.
Yeah, Tegiwa leaf heater. I seem to have had a run of them recently. I don't know why. Can't stand them. But anyway, so yeah, I've had a run of them recently. So yeah, standard inlet manifold, standard throttle body, Tegiwa leaf heater, 4:1 Decat manifold, a Scorpion centre section with a Cobra back box, was it, if I remember right? So yeah, definitely a bit of a mismatch on the exhaust. Again, pretty much the same as the one we talked about the other day, flattening off from around 7.5. Try to hold power to the end. It is tailing off a little bit, but it is just the exhaust. So obviously with the flow of it, you can't get it.
It's all about flow.
Yeah, definitely suggestions of mods for this car, better induction kit, and better exhaust, and we should make around that 230 mark, where we're just tailing off on that top end and losing that bit of brake horsepower. It should sort of make peak power, peak revs. Obviously there's still more scope. Go inlet manifold, go throttle body, yeah, head towards that 240 mark. Obviously, it just depends what the customer wants to spend on it, don't it? But this sort of round this is where the car feels its best transformation, though, isn't it? You get all that mid-range power, all that power. It'll probably never feel as a bigger increase, if you get what I mean, no matter what mods you put on it.
It won't be such a dramatic impact going from driving in to driving out.
No, 100% it won't. But there's definitely some more to be had at that top end.
He'll love it. I know I'm going to see some videos of this car with big flames coming out the back of it.
I would have thought so.
So he's going to enjoy this. Hopefully he enjoys his drive home. Do you want to look at the graph?
Yeah, let's have a look at that graph.
Let's look at the graph. So say it with me, guys. Red line is as you came in, blue line is as she leaves. And plenty of gains there right from the get-go. Made some peak power. Obviously, we've extended the rev range and lowered the VTEC a little bit, and you've got that massive dollop of power in the mid-range. Yeah, that's going to feel incredible. We finish on 225. Not bad for these mods. Another one in the bag, like I say. If you need any EP3 parts, we've got plenty on the website. We've got plenty in stock. Or if you just need a service, a timing chain, a set of coilovers, anything you need on a Honda Civic EP3, we're ready to help. So go and have a look on the website, which is Dynodaze performanceparts.com, and give us a shout out if you need anything. You can Instagram us, Facebook us, or go old school and pick up the phone. We are here to help, and we love these. So peace out, and we'll see you all the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.